浩然啊，我哋上一節咧就提過覺士盾啦。我知道覺士盾之後咧10日之內喺墨爾本費明頓馬場就會接連舉行維省打比同埋墨爾本杯㗎。咁啲賽期咁緊湊，啲馬應唔應付到呢？
問得好啊！其實嚟到近代嘅墨爾本春季嘉年華，已經冇馬試過參加晒同年度嘅覺士盾、維省打比同埋墨爾本杯㗎啦。不過咧，參加其中2項嘅咧就大有馬在嘅。好似90年代嘅馬王神聖啦，同埋曾經3奪墨爾本杯嘅馬後大花，都曾經試過喺10日之內捧走晒覺士盾同埋墨爾本杯㗎。
咁講起墨爾本杯啦，我知道今年係適逢呢項賽事嘅150週年啦。咁為咗隆重其事，主辦呢項錦標嘅維多利亞賽馬會啦，係特別將賽事嘅總獎金由以往嘅500萬澳元大幅提升到600萬澳元喎。
冇錯啊！所謂重賞之下必有勇夫啊嘛。既然獎金都大幅加碼啦，難怪連歐洲列強都話要嚟分一杯羹啦。
其實喺90年代初就已經有歐洲嘅長途好手南下澳洲參加墨爾本杯。咁歐洲長途馬嘅平均實力雖然比澳洲馬強，但由於兩地嘅賽馬模式完全唔同，歐洲馬要喺澳洲取得成績，其實一啲都唔容易啊！喺過去20年，就只有好收成、傳媒之謎兩匹愛爾蘭代表馬贏過墨爾本杯。
至於呢條片段所睇到嘅，就係1996年墨爾本杯嘅競賽過程。喺呢場賽事裏面，英國方面雖然派出1代宗師魏德禮策騎嘅灰色彈丸應戰，但係正所謂猛虎難敵地頭蟲啊！灰色彈丸對住澳洲馬王神聖，可以話係完全無計可施啊！
原來呢次正正就係神聖贏完覺士盾之後，相隔10日就嚟參加墨爾本杯嗰次。咁仲記得喺開賽之前，神聖係從未試過參加3200米嘅大長途賽事。再加上休息時間太短，好多馬迷都擔心神聖唔能夠應付呢場硬仗啊！
不過神聖嘅練馬師金明斯同埋負責策騎佢嘅騎師白德文就完全冇擔心過。而喺陣上，神聖嘅發揮亦都遠比普羅馬迷預期嘅好。喺白德文嘅妙絕發揮之下，神聖輕鬆擊敗由金士芬策騎嘅悉尼杯冠軍雪佛爵士，捧走嗰一年度嘅墨爾本杯啊！
Darren, it must be great. You know, I have ridden for Bart over the years, but when you go out on the horse and Bart, he was so confident, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was really trained this horse. I think he knew he had a horse that could run 2 miles the way that his nature is. And what a just I can't speak.
And Darren, they said he wasn't bred to stay, but Bart said he doesn't know who his parents are.
That's right. He's just a wizard.
Oh, congratulations, mate. This is going to be one of the most sentimental wins I think ever. Bart Cummings' 10th Melbourne Cup and Darren Beaver 2nd. Congratulations, Darren.